Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Jamaluddin from Group 6. We will be presenting our mini project which is titled Predicting Welding Failures Using IoT Applications for Introduction to Industrial Information Technology subject. Introducing my group members, Ammar Nazmi bin Rosman, Daniel Nakiuddin bin Ja'ad, and Muhammad Arif bin Muhammad Rosli. Okay, so now I will be discuss about the common problem that can related to predicting failures during welding processes. Predicting failures during welding process involves addressing several common problems that can lead to defects, inefficiencies, or safety issues. These challenges arise from the complexity of the welding process, variations in materials, and environmental factors. I will be give two examples. The first example is temperature fluctuations. The second one is misalignment and positioning errors. Okay, the solution that can be addresses to the previous problem that I just mentioned just now. The first one is the temperature, monitored using heat sensors like the LM35DZ. So next will be the position problem. It assess using position sensors like the MPU 6050.
Key components of this project is heat sensor. The LM35DZ is a linear temperature sensor that has already been calibrated in Celsius. Another component is the MPU 6050. It's an micro electromechanical systems MES with a T3-axis gyroscopes and accelerometer built into it. Defect sensor. The HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor is a sensor that uses sonar to measure the distance to an item. Software components, we use Arduino IDE. Arduino is used to develop the software for the failure prediction system. So this is our coding for this project.
For algorithm, we have a step, and the firstly is data collection, and then go to data processing, model development, model validation, real-time monitoring. And then after real-time monitoring, we have the result. Result can be a pass, can go to continuous improvement, or fail. Fail, we go to back data processing.
Okay, next I will tell about user design and data analysis. User interface design (UI), mobile application for monitoring welding parameters. Next, data analysis result. Heat sensor LM35DZ, example spike at 170 degrees Celsius at 2 p.m. exceeding the threshold. Lastly, the conclusion. Improved safety, proactive failure prediction, and real-time monitoring are all guaranteed by IoT integration. Automates processes, minimizing downtime and material wastage.
And that's all. Thank you.